Right guys, JB coming to you live from the streets of Bangkok. It's 7 a.m. already, just 7:15 a.m. and it's buzzing already. Like literally, look at this. It's 7 a.m. and the hustling is on. From fruits, meat, snacks, veggies. What a buzzing place. For an early morning, people are already set up and doing business. Something to take away. And by the way, these guys are, people here are very, very proactive. Like, so many times I'll be walking down the street, right? And then literally, like, from like a block away, I'll hear someone calling me for a taxi. They take every opportunity to if four people walk past, all four people are going to get approached by what they're selling, which is really cool. Sales is strong here, you know. A lot of things to take away and learn and apply into your own business if you haven't. Let's keep going. Check out these pre-made snacks for today. Interesting looking temple. That's an interesting looking building. Don't think I've seen that before here. Maybe it was night time. Streets of Bangkok. Now, I am actually looking for a PCR, a testing station for COVID, because I have a flight to catch tomorrow to Dubai, and these guys want me to get a test done. There's something about living in Asian cities. You have this buzz, this energy, non-stop energy, unfiltered energy, raw energy, which I think is very cool because they get the job done. They're not shy to ask and to serve and all of that stuff. Let's try going this way. Indian brothers in Bangkok. They're giving me the eyes, like, huh, is he Indian? Yeah, bro, I am. There we go. Last time I was in Bangkok was just before I went to Koh Phangan, the island, Thailand island. And I spent one night here, I think, or was it 2 nights? Can't remember. And didn't get enough time. We got some foot massage, got some food. It was really a stopover. Usually what people do is when they come to Koh Phangan or Koh Samui islands in Thailand itself, they land in Bangkok if they're coming from far away, spend a day here or two, and then head over to the islands. And when it's time to leave, they come back here again in Bangkok, and then carry on. There's a word for it that I learned. Acclimise. Acclimise? I think it is. I have to check up on it. Acclimise. Acclims. I have to check. Basically what it means is like a buffering, you know, getting yourself some time to get conditioned and stuff. Guessing this is the main street of Bangkok. Or one of the main streets. Okay, so I just called up like 10 places, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 places, something like that, in regards to COVID test. It's so expensive here. I got a few quotes, which was 4,000 baht, 3,000 baht, 2,600 baht, and then 2,000 baht. From 2,000 to 4,000 for a PCR test. So 1,000 baht is around $30 US. So you're looking at around 90 or 100, just over 100 for PCR test. It's not that expensive, is it? From what I remember. Anyway, I also called up Dubai Emirates, and reconfirmed that if I have 2 vaccinations, I don't need COVID test, because it's getting loose now, you know. It's not as strict as it used to be. Thank God, because that would have wasted like 2 hours of my day. Okay. I am probably going to get some breakfast and look at booking my accommodation for tomorrow to Dubai ski. So many things going on. That was a lottery. Very common here, seems. Buying lottery. A lot of fried stuff in the morning. I'm not a huge fan of fried stuff in the morning unless it's hash brown with some eggs, some beans. Okay, that's probably it for today. I'm gonna walk back to my hotel this morning. Walk back to my hotel. Go to the gym. I'm definitely going to go to the gym today and then get myself packed up for tomorrow. Might come out tonight again during the day, maybe afternoon, depending on how we go, and we shoot some more videos that I can post up for you guys to see. Y'all take care and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.